Hi, I was just sent this beautiful case, and it also doubles as a clipboard, which you could use just flat like this or as an easel. So it's easily able to lift up like this, and if you come around to the back here, you can just see that you can pick whatever height to hold any kind of canvas board and just adjust that, tighten it on up. That's all sturdy, so you could hold any kind of board. Mine's not that big, but you could if you wanted to. And then for any kind of angle, you can just tighten these on the side. So I'm just going to put it at an angle like this. Just tighten these on at the side, and your board will sit there at any kind of angle you want to have it as, so that's really nice. And then on the inside here, you have all of these different size storage compartments, so it's easy to travel with or just keep everything together and organized. Yeah, there's different removable separators in all 4 of these. There's a nice leather handle on here and these nice gold clasps, and I'm very excited to put this to use. So I definitely really like how this goes up to almost 22 inches of canvas board. And also there's these nice pads on the bottom so it won't scratch your table and it doesn't slide around. I'm just painting a little flower on here. I like the adjustable angles on here, so if I wanted to lower it or have it more vertical, that's always a choice. This would be a great gift for any artist, and it's also wonderful for traveling due to all of the compartments. And I'm very excited to put this to use. I think anybody, artist or not, could get some enjoyment out of this just because of how practical it is.